spent half a day working on my junk so I can fix yours. It ain't firing. Alright, so we're headed to Cedar Mountain this morning. We're gonna go help a guy weld his fifth wheel back together. I guess he hit some rough roads and it broke something in the tongue. So we got the welder all loaded up, some stuff that we think we're gonna need, and we're gonna go see if we can weld his trailer together. Stars Campground. It's probably up doing some maintenance of some sort up there. Okay, so we just stopped, got us a little refreshment. Jace got him some ice cream for some reason. I got healthy mini tacos. I'm watching what I eat these days. Now we're headed up into the mountains to find this trailer. Hello, how are you?
Good to see you.
Is that trailer?
This one right here.
This one.
Yeah,
we'll
you
pull.
might need to take a look and see what you
We'll
need to do.
Yeah, we'll see what we got. Did you guys come up over the Kaibab or around Page?
We went through Page and came through
Yeah.
that. Between Page and Flagstaff, it's really, really
yeah.
bad.
Lots of that stuff.
And that's where I think it busted.
Yep.
And
broke
here.
that one and
that
that
one.
one. Yeah, it's messed up pretty bad. That's a rough road out across there.
See, on the front of my truck, I have this hitch here.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of weight on that diesel engine. And a come along, it might get us closer. Because it moves. It moves quite a bit when you have weight on there.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to try something to figure it out, but I'm trying to figure out how to not burn your trailer down while we're doing this.
I've got a pump here with some water. We'll just weld a little bit and cool it off, weld a little bit, cool it off.
That's a fun one.
Yeah.
For sure. Maybe we can get her pulled back. We'll give it a try.
A huge thanks to Ritual for sponsoring this video. Even with a perfect diet, it can be hard to get the key nutrients we need on a daily basis. Ritual is a brand you can trust. You know exactly the ingredients that are in it. You know exactly what you're getting yourself into. Just like how you know how you're about to get in with an 8-year-old driving a go-kart. 2 easy-to-take capsules provide 9 high-quality nutrients. No shady additives, fillers, or colorants. So you know exactly what's getting in your body. You can trace the decision-making process behind each of their ingredients, from where they source their nutrients and why, to their environmental impact. The kind I take is essential for women, but there's also vitamins for
Men.
teenagers.
They even make vitamins for old farts like me.
They also have prenatal and postnatal vitamins available as well.
It's only $1 a day to have 9 quality ingredients your body needs, delivered straight to your door every month.
They don't just offer vitamins either. So they have shakes as well that support lean muscle mass.
Fill in the gaps with your diet with Ritual vitamins. Now we're gonna do a burnout.
It contains 9 high-quality nutrients from D3 to omega-3. They're vegan-friendly, no GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and contains no added sugar.
The delayed release capsule design is gentle on an empty stomach.
And there's a mint tab in every bottle, so everything smells minty fresh. Better health doesn't happen overnight. Get 10% off your first 3 months today. Ritual.com/fabrats and use code FABRATS at checkout. Fill in the gaps in your diet with these Ritual vitamins. A small step that helps support a healthy foundation for your body.
Truck if it didn't even move it. We're gonna have to go underneath the trailer and pull on itself. I might ought to hook off of those and just pull on it a little bit and see what it does with that angle and see.
Oh, that moved a lot.
That's a long ways back. I'm trying to decide if that actually is bowed that much or if that just fell down. Because the welds are about back together. 1/4 of an inch in that one, but all I'm gonna get out of that. That's not horrible, that can get welded. I can weld that back part. We'll just cut this front apart and see what we can do on the inside of this. We'll see if we can get a plate on the inside of that and get it welded. This is going to be fun to cut. He's in bad shape. That side wasn't much. I think we can weld that back together. It's going to start a fire, but we'll just have to weld a little and spray some water on it. I can't believe how thin that metal is. No, it's not loving the altitude. We'll give it a little more air. Spent half a day working on my junk so I can fix yours. This thing ran like a top last time I used it. It's got plenty of fuel now, but it ain't firing. This is lovely. It's been flawless right up until today. I'm done messing with it though. That's some thin stuff.
The hose that's catching that top of the fire.
Just keep watching that kind of stuff for me, okay?
Okay.
Let that side cool off, now this side. We'll let that cool down a minute. Charge the battery up. That one won't break off now. We'll fix this side. Get the easy part done, then we gotta try to not burn it down welding that front piece. Okay, give it a little more water. I think we're winning though. There's less metal that's not hooked together now.
That's true.
Low heat stuff's hard to weld with. Alright, there goes that now. Yeah, I think I'll leave that gusset, put another one underneath of it.
Okay.
On both sides. See if we can't make that work. Alright, now we can get this gusset ready to go. Get a little more heat out of it. Idle her up. Can't believe this piece of junk didn't run. Oh well. We're getting her done.
How was that?
We're getting there. Patch is about on. I gotta weld one side and the top. And the patch is on it.
Well, you have to do the other side.
Just welding the cracks up. It's good.
Oh. Nicely done there, mate. Hey, look, it's my fishing line. How's she looking?
Okay, you can cool that down, then we'll weld the top. Then we can take the couple on off and see how much it moves.
It's raining now. Get it done?
About as good as you can get done until it's done.
Yeah, until they tear the whole front of the trailer off and put a new piece across it. Make sure these are welded. Moving?
Very little.
Very little. We must have got that handled. That's a good sign.
Yeah, it is. The better sign is when I get it parked in my driveway.
Yeah, once it gets home, I don't think it's gonna break off. Yeah, I think you'll make it. I
just gotta go
think
take it easy.
I think she's stitched back together. I don't see any sign of fire. Might ought to just spray that down
Some more, yeah.
one more time. Get those boards nice and wet.
Well, your welder worked.
Well, one of my welders worked.
The good welder.
We'll go home and evaluate. We'll pull the carburetor off and drain the gas. If it's got water in it, it's the problem. It's that fuel gauge that I replaced. Let water in. Okay, so we got him handled. It's all welded up. He'll make it home with it. It's not great. It needs to be tore apart and fixed, right? But it's fixed. Good enough to get him back to Phoenix, so we'll carry on and go get our parts from the parts store so we can finish our project at home.